Hi and welcome. My name is Orpheus. I am from the product team of Upstox. So today we are going to have a webinar on the data providers who provide market data for running charts. So if you have seen our last webinar on ME Broker for on a bridge to ME Broker. So in that we had actually introduced you to a concept of algo labs that we created in the text in the web version of Upstox. So now before that, for generating all the signals in ME Broker, you need market data. So what is market data? So basically, ME Broker is a charting software, as you can see on my screen over here. So it is a charting software where you can do your analysis. But for doing this analysis, you need the charts to be functioning in real time. So for functioning those into real time, you need market data. So there are various data vendors available in the market, but you need to take the data from an official vendor, so the data accuracy is good enough. So this is what the flow that I have just mentioned over here. So you need market data, you need the ME broker software, and you need the algo lab. You need an account with Upstox basically, and you can place your orders through algo lab. So in this, the market data is like nothing but the real-time data feed. ME broker is the charting software where you do your analysis and backtest your strategies. You can write your own strategies uh, by using the ME broker formula language. And whatever strategies that you work with, there will be some signals that will be generated. That would be some buy or a sell signals, and it is all up to you if you want to link the you want those signals, you want whatever signals that are generated in MB broker, if you want to see those into the web version of Upstox, then we have created a workspace called as AlgoLab, and you will get to see all the signals over there, and it is just one click trading from there. So just the section today, it's more about market data. So market data is not something that I can show you directly. It is some integration that happens at the backend. So that's the reason I've created some slides for you. So market, what is market data? So so the data will provide you values to plot the chart into the charting software like ME Broker. So if there is a software, there is a ME Broker, you want to see on the real-time charts, you need to tie up with some of the data vendors. So you can just log in, you can just log to their website and just register for a free trial. In our case, we have tied with one of the reliable sources in data as a data vendor, which is One Market View. So One Market View is one of those partners that we have currently associated with. So what they do is like they provide you a free trial for like 3 days, and based on that free trial, you will get a basic username and a password kind of a thing, and some details of your IP. So you need to input those details. I'll tell you how to view all those things in a while, but this is the basic overview. So you need to go on to Market View, One Market View, and after going there, you can just apply for just register for their free trial, and they will give you some login details. So based on that, those login details, you will be actually able to set up the data feeds into ME broker, and you will see all the live charts running. So this is the first step that you need to do when you want to use ME broker. So once you get all the data from the data vendors, then the next step is ME broker. So this is the second step, which is of ME broker. So ME broker, as I said, it's a charting software. There are some pre-built strategies already available into the software, so you can download the free version of the application. Even that is available for free. There is a certain trial period available for that software. So you can actually go and use some pre-built strategies available into ME broker. If you are well versed with coding, and if you are actually using ME broker as of now, then they also help you to build your own strategies. The language that they support is the ME broker formula language. So you can just put your strategy into that and perform a small back test on your strategy on the win and losing ratio. So that will help you to understand how much success you will get using that strategy. And once when you apply that strategy onto the charts, so you will be there will be some buy or sell signals will be generated. So those signals will be seen in your ME broker. But further, if you want to receive those signals into the Algo Lab, I mean into the Pro Web version of Upstox, then that you can integrate through a bridge for ME broker. So the main important thing is like once you have the market data, you can just get the market data integrated with ME broker. So the charts will start working on real time. When the charts start working on real time, you will get buy and sell signals. And based on those buy and sell signals, some signals will, those signals can be reflected into the Pro Web version. So the Pro Web version is available on pro.upstox.com. So this is something related to the Algo Lab. So it's a pre-built workspace available in pro.upstox.com. So if you have an account with Upstox, then you can definitely go and visit there. If you don't have an account, so we also provide you a loginless access. So you can just visit pro.upstox.com and you can see how it functions. Then you need to link ME broker with AlgoLab. So there is a certain process available to it. So I will share the details on that as well in some time. So once you receive the signals into ME broker, you will be able to view the signals into on the left hand side basically of the screen, and you will also see a order book and position book for monitoring your orders and positions in real time. So the end to end best thing about using the bridge for ME broker is like you can run your strategy on multiple scripts, and based on that you don't have to monitor like one or two scripts. You can monitor automatically. The strategy will be running on the list of the bunch of stocks on which you'll be applying the strategy, and as and when the signal comes up, it will reflect into your Algo Lab, and you will be just one click away from placing your trades. So that is the best thing about Algo Lab. So some of the important links that you need to know before you actually move on to this particular section is this. So the first is like to register for a free trial. By the way, I have included this links in the description. So just below this video, you will find a description section. So in the description, you will find this same links available there. So the first link is basically if you want to go and take a free trial. So you can just click on this particular link. So it will look something like this. So the product that you need to choose while registering for a free trial is that is one market view Jaguar. So this is the product available for the integration with ME broker. So you can just register for this, and the team of on market view will contact you and provide you some the login details so that you can start your free trial. Then the second link available is on the pricing. So if in future, if you are happy with the free trial and if you want to purchase it, then we have partnered with them. So if you just go directly to their link, then that will be difficult for you to that will be difficult for you to I mean, in the sense that the pricing that we have partnered with, it's like discounted pricing. So you won't get that pricing available directly on the website. So, but if you go through this particular link, then this is the pricing that you will see. This is one of the cheapest market pricing that you will see. So the 1 month pricing, it's like 1,100 for FNOs, then for equities as well. So you can purchase the package that you want to. So the details about how you need to purchase it is available here. So basically you need to do a bank transfer. So based on that, you can purchase this packages. Then the third thing is setting up how to set up basically. So there is a YouTube video available, made available by One Market View. So you can just click on the link. So this is the video, which is like 3.5 minute long. So this shows you how to actually set up your how to set up your entire plugin into the ME Broker software, and how can you get the data feeds available into ME Broker. So this is one more thing. Then I've also provided you a link to download the ME Broker software. So if you go out here and just click on this, so it will open up the official version of ME Broker. So if your system is like a 32-bit version, you can download this. If it's like a 64-bit version, you can download this. So this link is available. And the final thing is the bridge to ME Broker. So as you saw in this, you can download up till here, and you can perform backtends. And once your strategy is ready, you need to you want the signals to be received into your pro web version of Upstox. So at that time, you need to create a bridge. So this bridge, whatever details you require for getting this thing activated, are available into this particular link. So this particular link will take you here. So we have a big article mentioning about how to get this thing activated. So if the pricing and the setup procedure, everything is available on this particular page. So this talks about how you can integrate and start using the bridge to ME Broker. So a few additional things. If you want to if you want to view the entire how this particular procedure works, like we also had a webinar previously on this particular topic. So the link for this webinar I'll include in the description section as well. Currently have not included it, but soon, once this webinar is done, I'll try to include that particular link. So the link is basically this. It will say something like an introduction to Algo Labs. So it's like a 18-minute webinar explaining how the integration process with Algo Lab works. So you can also go through this, and it will help you while integrating it. So if you want to find some more details about how the bridge to ME Broker works, then you can definitely visit our web page. So this is our web page, which is available on our website. So if you just go to upstox.com, you can just hover over the product section and just click on the bridge for ME Broker, and it will take you to this particular web page, which has all the details. So the other thing is, like, we are also planning to include some AFLs. So if you use any of the indicators like super trend or an RSI or any indicator that you're familiar with, and you want us to write an AFL for you, which you can use it directly, then do comment that into just after this video. You can just post your comment, and we will see to it how we can build that up for you. So the AFLs, whatever AFLs that you want us to build based basically on the top indicators, you can just let us know, and so we can help you out in this. So we had this entire thing dedicated to for you to show the flow of how it entirely works. So you can just go through this video again. You can just see the entire thing, how ME Broker functions. The best thing about I would recommend for using ME Broker is, like, if you want to run your strategy on multiple scripts and you don't want to monitor them every time, so ME Broker is something that you should be using, because you can just apply your strategy on that, and automatically, as and when the signals are generated, those signals will reflect in your Algo Lab. And the only thing you need to monitor is the pro web version, wherein you will start receiving the signals, and it's just a one-click trade for you. So that's all from the webinar. You can just post your comments and let us know so we can help you out. Thank you.